Hello everyone, welcome to our December's video. And what's the best second thing after New Bike Day? You are right, New Parts Day. And I'm making this video about some parts that I bought some weeks ago. It came a couple of days ago, and I'm making this video because, as you know, 2021 was the year where we cyclists and bicycle lovers were struggling to find new bikes, new parts. It's been madness, and it is. I hope 2022 will be different in that regard. So let's see what we have here. So one of the things that I bought is a front derailleur, because mine was not behaving as I was expecting. This is an Altus front derailleur, yeah, for 3 discs, 3 chain rings, as you can see, and it must be some real nice Altus quality. Yep, let me just unpack it here. Oh, something fell down, but here you go, the derailleur. Okay, this is for a bicycle that is meant to use like it's like an adventure bicycle, you know. I do everything with this bicycle. I do mountain biking, I do on road. It's the bicycle that has the Crossmark, the Maxxis Crossmark tire that I talk in one of my videos, and it's a video with some good views, many people watching that. Thank you guys for commenting and watching those videos. So the second item that I bought was this one. This is from the front derailleur. Better not to lose it. I would place it right here. So the second item, it is a Acera rear derailleur, and there is another video that has many good feedback, that I did a quick review comparing the Tourney derailleur with the Decathlon rear derailleur. So this time I had to buy the Acera because I couldn't find the jockey wheels or a new rear derailleur from Decathlon. I was to their website. I was planning to buy a similar one that I was currently using, the one I talk about in one of my videos, but it was not available on their store. So I was not expecting to wait too much to ride my bicycle again, so I bought this one, Shimano Acera. This is a nice quality derailleur, let me tell you. It's metal body, so it seems to last quite of a beating. I'll remember you. No problems with the Decathlon derailleur. I think the Decathlon derailleur is amazing. For the price, it's awesome. The thing is plastic body, but it's very sturdy, you know. A lot better than the Tourney counterpart and a lot cheaper. But it was not available, so I had to take the Acera rear one. And now the next one is new crankset. This is a Shimano Tourney crankset. And you may ask me, why choosing a Shimano Tourney? Why not getting the Acera or the Altus? Nice question. Well, let me tell you, it's more about the gearing. With the Shimano Tourney, I have the bigger ring, 42, 34, and 24. With the Acera or the Altus, I got a 42, 32, and 22, and I think that is too low for me. For me, 42, 34, and 24 makes more sense. It's just a personal preference. Of course, no doubt the other parts will be better quality, will be lighter, but I rather prefer these gearings because I'm very used to it. So that's the only reason. And it's far cheaper, let me tell you. It's about 10 euros cheaper. This one is 10 euros cheaper than the Acera. Okay, now the last items. And uh, I decided to talk last about these two for one reason. First is the cassette. I was expecting to get a Shimano cassette. I like Shimano cassettes. Yeah, I think they are very sturdy. The HG40, if I'm not wrong. The 40? Or maybe I'm confusing with the chain. I don't know. Is one HG the Hyperglide Shimano cassette? These things are very sturdy. I used the sunrace in the past. I was not too surprised by its quality. You have to pay extra care to chain wear, so it's something you have to be aware. I think their alloy is inferior quality than the Shimano. That's my impression. I might be wrong, but that's what, for my last experience with the Sunrace, that's what I felt. So, but no parts, so better than nothing. This is a 28 to 11, and this is a 5-speed cassette. 5-speed, sorry, I'm not that old, sorry. 7-speed cassette, that's it. All right, and here it is, the last one. It's the chain. This is KMC X chain for 8-speed bike, but I'm using it on a 7-speed. Um, Let me tell you what. A chain from KMC. This is a bag of mixed reviews, let me tell you. I have never used the X series of KMC, but I have used the lower series of this chain brand. And let me tell you, I'm not surprised at all. I think the lower series of KMC is not worth it, in my opinion. You are better go with a Shimano or SRAM chain. It's more durability. I think the material is a lot better. You will get more kilometers on that one. But one of the things that made me give this a second try to KMC is the rivets. As you can, I don't know if you can watch it on. Yeah, you can see it on the screen. This had some mushroom rivets, and mushroom rivets are technically superior than the common pin that they use on the chains. So they say this gives to the chain better strength and more durability. I want to have this a go because on the website that I made this by, I was looking for a Whipperman Connects chain. This is a very sturdy chain, but it was not available. I used in the past the Connects Whipperman 808, if I'm not wrong, and I can tell you, that one is a very sturdy chain. The second to the Whipperman, I was about to buy a YBN, YBN chain. This is well renowned for its durability, but at the last second that I was about to purchase, the last one was gone. So, bad luck, I don't know. Maybe I was condemned or destined to buy this one. So let's have a try. It might be very nice. It brings the connectors, as you can see it here. Good. Let's see. So another thing that I want to show you is what I'm going to use with this new transmission set. This is a new loop I purchased from Decathlon. This is the new loop they launched recently. It's wax based, so it will be more recommended. It will be better for dry environments. And that's the place I'm riding. Very dry, dusty environments. So to 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 make pair with this oil, I will use Decathlon's chain checker. I got a new chain checker just to have it at hand and to just measure the change elongation and to make sure I put the wear chain out before it reaches the max point. So let me see if I do another video when all things were on my bicycle. I might give you a future review about this KMC bike chain, the X series from KMC, the Acera rear derailleur. I don't think there is necessary to do any further review. Many people know about the Acera quality. It's a well-known model. And all in all, this is for today. So let's hope we have next year with a lot of parts and bicycles for we guys to choose. And thank you very much, guys. And I see you. I don't know if during this month I'll do another video. I don't know yet. If not, see you next year. Have a great holidays. Enjoy and have a happy new year. Ride safe. Enjoy life. Have fun. See you next time, guys. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and give me a subscribe. That will be very nice. A nice Christmas gift. Thank you, guys. See you next time.